I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to save photos to your device. Start now by opening Google Photos. Tap the account avatar to confirm you're in the right Google account because backing up and saving depend on it. Once you see your photos, pick an image or select multiple by long pressing one then tapping others. Make sure mobile data is acceptable for downloads or connect to Wi-Fi to avoid charges. This gets the process moving immediately so you can save without delays. Now you'll download the selected items. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right and choose Download or Save to Device. That writes a local copy to your gallery. For multiple images, you select then Download. The app creates a Downloads folder if needed. Once done, open your device photos or gallery app to verify files landed where you want them. If saving an album, export it the same way. The process batches files to avoid missing any pictures. Finish by confirming those images are visible in your device gallery and backed up how you prefer. If a saved photo doesn't show, make sure Google Photos has storage permissions and backup and sync settings aren't interfering, because Android and iOS handle cloud copies differently. If problems persist, clear the app cache, re-download, or restart your phone. These quick steps resolve most hiccups. And if you continue to see duplicates, tidy up via your gallery app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.